Me no owe you none. None you not get. You not get no apology from me.
Mouthwash can't help you. Your mouth stink. Your teeth yellow. Your mouth stink.
Yeah, Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes! What a vibes!
I swear, people, there is never a dull moment in dancehall. Anyway, you know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan, I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. So for the first time, you check out the Chaddy More TV. Don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime I upload videos like these, you definitely are going to be the first to know. And people, remember, we over Facebook, we over Instagram. Like and follow the page them over there. So we are do it.
Life is sweet, let me dip it in a honey. Chick a girl with a nigga car and a nigga money. When she meet him, she fuck him, cause that a bigger money.
So before we talk about the disease we trade in at the beginning of the video, make we talk about Govana new song entitled Likkle Bit of Money. And people, this song bad. This song give the feeling where even if you have a little bit of money, you know, you're in at the party and hear that song you play, you will all start braff out your rent. And that is not recommended. Then Govana, you know easy. You know see a corona time and everybody have little bit of money. And this is the time you choose to release this song, Likkle Bit of Money. And this song don't have a vibes. So even if you're in at the party and hear this song play and I say Likkle Bit of Money, the vibes where the song will put you under, it will make you reach for your rent money and start braff it out. So people, please listen Govana, Likkle Bit of Money responsibly.
You want a rifle? This is the money. Bad man no drink off a man table.
But see ya, I saw them thing unstable. So people, that's Govana, Likkle Bit of Money, and it's also sitting on #1 on trending. So people, make we talk about the little mix up between Lisa Hyper and dancehall artist Pamputtae. Now, the vibes all started last week when Lisa Hype apologized to dancehall artist Spice. She write one long epistle and apologized to Spice. Then Spice replied to her and they all made up and live happily ever after. No, and I say it go. Right after that apology, Pamputtae went on her official Instagram page and she posts a pic with she and Spice. And I know the picture cause a little rare, you know. It's really the caption where Pamputtae put under it. Now people start pre-Pamputtae and I say, Pamputtae, it look away. So people, me I go read the caption for you right now. In life, always be yourself. It's good to apologize, but in life, remember to never follow others and attack a person that never once offended you. Be a leader, not a follower. 3 years ago in Canada, Spice and Pamputtae. So them start go back and forth on the gram because Pamputtae claimed that Lisa Hyper apology wasn't sincere. She feel like Lisa Hype do it for the clout, which a lot of people kind of feel. So, you know, if I'm to be honest, a lot of people feel like say Lisa Hype do it for the clout or something is, I'm not say wrong with Lisa Hype, you know, but Lisa Hype kind of go through a phase where, you know, she mend back some bridges and stuff like that. But Pamputtae is not having that none at all. But people, Lisa Hyper went on her live and this Pamputtae, me go play it out for you. And me I tell you from now, a lot of expletive language Pamputtae, not Pamputtae. Lisa Hype use, so you don't know that's something they go. Me not edit it.
Pamputtae, remember your thief the girl microwave down at Jonestown, the tall girl where did I go on with that little thing. Remember your thief the girl microwave Pamputtae. And take away the little money where the people them a give her. Pamputtae, your thief. Remember you thief the girl microwave. You can't chat to me, Pamputtae. I never thief a microwave yet in my life. Never. I never thief a microwave yet in my life. Never in my life. I never thief. No. Anything me I take, I take. I never thief a microwave yet. Anything me I take and use badness and blood clot, take that. Man, anything, money, anything me I take, me just take and use badness. Me never thief nobody microwave yet, Pamputtae. Oh, don't come get bright, look a stinking girl. You're big and stink. Go wash out your big decomposed hole. Are you me sing Pretty Butterfly for? You are one of them when me sing Pretty Butterfly for with your bag of dirty drawers them in your house and you have picked it. Go suck your mother. Go suck your mother Pamputtae and come off of my name. Because you will never get a song. You will never get back a next song with your name in it. If that you want, you're not going to get it. You will never get a next song with your name in it. So just give up. Give up and go up on somebody else. Go try draw down somebody else. Because you can't draw me down on blood clot. All when me light and you're big and heavy like double door fridge. All when you're big and heavy like double door fridge, you can't draw me down. Your man them no want you. Not one of your man them no want you, Pamputtae. Blood clot, Pamputtae. Not one of your man them no want you. Not one of your man them no want you. Me apologize to Spice. And true, me apologize to Spice and don't apologize to you. You have me up. Come suck my Pamputtae. Come suck me. Come suck my Pamputtae. I apologize. Climax are you, me and go clash. Pamputtae and Climax better than you by far. Pamputtae go retire. You don't have no purpose in a dance hall. Pamputtae! You favor big blood clot idiot. Big idiot you favor. But Pamputtae, you favor pussy. You favor pussy. You and King mix up come lick up my body. Oh, me and King Mix Up used to talk every day upon phone. So all of a sudden King Mix Up have me up for. What me do you? What the fuck me do you? What me do you, youth? What me do you? What me do you? You not do a thing? You not know me pussy come off of my life. Cause you clearly don't know me. Come off of my life. The whole I know when I like me come suck me. Cause I don't want to like me neither, I know. I don't have no problem. So what me first friend me I look from her. Me supposed to look friend from her. Me supposed to look friend from her because she had the shit right now. And she had the blood clot shit right now. So me supposed to me have ambition. Me don't want a friend from Pamputtae. Pamputtae is not the shit. A Spice are the shit. So of course me want a friend from her. 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 And she had the blood clot shit. And she had the shit. She had the shit, so me want a friend from her of blood clot course. Me a friend ambition. Me a friend ambition. Me a friend ambition. You know come suck me. Pamputtae no apology. And Pamputtae go fuck a dog. You know me no business. Pamputtae go fuck a dog. Boy, you not think it real. Who is blood clot you? Who is you? Who is you? Who is blood clot you, Pamputtae? Go fuck a dog.
What?
To me, I'm a blood clot good chain in my river low vanity of fuckery. I will pop it up, you know. I will pop it up. No, me no owe you none. None you not get. So go and chat. None you not get. You not get no apology from me. You salt like. Just love me here, love me. Nothing about me not change. Leave me alone. I apologize to Spice and it was sincere. If it never sincere, it would come out of my mouth. Nobody can draw me out. Every minute when I talk about stop make them dry out. Nobody can draw me out. I talk how I feel for talk.
Well, people, wanna tell me what you think about that feud going on between Lisa Hype and the one called Pamputtae. But before me go, I want to say a big shout out to Jerome TV. Him a one of my true subscriber them. And today I'm Earth Strong. Big up yourself, my general. Hope you live to see long like Wally more until you're all out. Anyway, big up yourself by your Earth Strong.
See the one more year on them. Them not gonna live to see we broke again. We get the wings them, so we not stuck again.
It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about the topics we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? One way and any other way, the wrong way. Magan.
Mouthwash can't help you. Your mouth stink. Your teeth yellow. Your mouth stink.
Yeah, yeah, Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes. What a